Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful Audi Q5 S-Line Tronic Quattro. Now this vehicle is currently run 84,718 miles, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front. You have very stylish LED headlights. You have your Audi Quattro badge in there on the grille. And now around to the side. It's a very stylish SUV, perfect for a family. The vehicle does sit very nicely on 20-inch alloy wheels. You have your S-Line badge in there on the side, as well as your indicator integrated into the door mirror. There is rear privacy glass, give you nice privacy to the rear. And taking a look inside, you have gorgeous part leather seats with a nice suede effect in the centre of the seats. You have ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You also have rear air conditioning vents there, allowing the rear passengers to travel comfortably, and they can also set their own temperature there at the rear. Now here on the boot you have your Q5 TDI Quattro badging, and you do have a power tailgate that can be opened using the key fob, and it provides you with access to the very spacious boot. You can easily fit a set of golf clubs in there or a pram. And there are tethering points so you can tie any loads down if you need to, and there's also some storage at either side, including some net storage. Up top you'll find a button that closes the tailgate, which is handy when unloading the vehicle, as it makes closing it much easier when your hands are full. You don't have to struggle to shut it. Take a look inside here, you have your leather multifunction steering wheel. You have a nice metal finish across the dashboard. You have your front seats here with the S-Line badge embossed in. And there is plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. The folding is a great feature as you can keep the mirrors protected. It's handy if you're parking on a narrow road, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. And it's very easy to make adjustments, and they fold automatically when locked. You have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You have some steering wheel controls here. And to the left you have some controls for your digital display in between the dials here in the instrument cluster. You can access different menus, such as your standard trip information, and also your radio, where you can select different stations if you fancy a change. You also have a compass as well, which is handy as you can be sure you're heading in the right direction. Now behind the steering wheel here you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. You just have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Now in the centre here you have your infotainment screen. It's controlled using the spinning dial and buttons here in the centre console. You do have some toggle switches for shortcuts as well. You can access FM, AM and DAB radio. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. And with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so you can enjoy your radio nice and clear. You do have the option to connect your device with Bluetooth. And there's also USB connectivity as well. Of course with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with wherever you need to. It's very easy to pair your device up. The vehicle can search for Bluetooth devices to connect with. You do have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. The guidance is very easy to follow. You can see petrol stations as well as parking if you need any of those, and you can change the view of the map using the scroller to zoom in and out. You have your Audi Connect, where you can see things like Google Earth, text messages, as well as additional information. You have your Audi smartphone connection here, which can use things like Apple CarPlay that brings your phone's interface into the vehicle and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps such as navigation and music streaming services, so you can access all of your favourite playlists. You have Audi Drive Select with your different drive modes. You have off-road, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. These change how the vehicle perform and handle depending on your driving mood. With individual, you can set up your own preferences to this, so the vehicle performs and handles how you want it to. You have some driver assist features with your Audi Presense. This can detect potential hazards ahead and can alert you and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You also have efficiency assist to make you more fuel efficient. You do have front and rear parking sensors to give you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces by making you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle of things you may not be able to see. Now below here you have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold. You can also set the temperature for the rear air conditioning as well, or you can sync them all up. I have free zone, allowing everyone to make their own preferred temperature choices. You can also select the direction of airflow for either side of the vehicle as well. And there are heated seats, so you can keep nice and warm, which is handy for the upcoming winter months we have. You have your automatic gear selector. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi Q5 S-Line S-Tronic Quattro. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have Rac Extended Warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.